If your iOS device running iOS 11 is running low on space, but you don't want to remove any of your photos or videos, there is another option. Built into iOS 11 is the ability to offload your unused or less frequently used apps. This is a handy way to gain back storage on your device without having to fully remove an app or its associated data. This is especially useful when you have an app that you do not use all that often, but you may need to get in the future, and you want to keep the data inside of it. To turn this feature on, open the Settings app and navigate to General and iPad or iPhone storage. The top of this settings pane will show how much storage you are using and break it down by type, such as apps, photos, media, and other. Below this, you will see a recommendation to offload unused apps, as well as an estimate of the amount of space you can free up by turning this feature on. Offloading apps will occur when your device is low on storage, and it will also keep all documents and data. The app icon will still be on your home screen with a cloud badge next to the name to denote that it has been offloaded. iOS will choose apps you have not opened for a while and offload them only when space is low on your device. When you open an app that has been offloaded, it will be downloaded from the App Store and allow you to use it. If you find that you are having to wait for apps to download often, you can turn this feature off again by opening Settings, navigating to iTunes and App Store, and turning off Offload Unused Apps. Be sure to use this feature as a handy way to gain back storage on your device without deleting your photos or videos, and check back again for more CityMac how-to videos.